Hi there, this is Chase with ProVal Tech, a senior consultant working on ConnectWise RMM. And today I wanted to go through how to review scheduled tasks and look at their efficiency and ensure that they are running accurately. This is something that can be a little difficult to see if you don't know how to do it, so we figured it would be a good video to show everyone. So this is how we've been reviewing it in environments for our current partners, is we head into automation, scheduled tasks, and then I'm using a filter to look for the last 30 days worth of results, and I'm looking for the status for any that have failed or partially failed so that I can review those failures and see why. When you get to the screen, it should show you all the scripts that have been run on a recurring basis. You can open these. I usually do it into a new tab to make it easier so I don't have to jump around between screens going back and forth. So I've already opened some of these on other tabs over here. So for example, this summary here was this task, and it's scheduled as a run now one time. We can see that on the 28th of June we ran this, it showed failure and it ran on 83 devices. When you expand this, the benefit of looking at it from here is you can go device by device and see the output instead of having to open up every single device, go to the automation tab and see what happened. So this could make it much easier to review the failures and reasons why that item is failing, so you can go and enhance your script, review the process, see if there's anything that needs to be modified. This should work for any and all scripts that are scheduled. You should be able to come in here, check out the history, see how many machines it's run against, and what that problem was so you can review it. This is a simple and easy way to go through and review that on a recurring basis. We do generally recommend reviewing it monthly for the last 30 days, just to make sure that your scripts are running effectively, because it can be a big risk to organizations that believe a script is out there running and working. However, it may not be delivering the desired result. So this way you can check that output. Please check back weekly for new videos on ConnectWise RMM or ConnectWise products. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you.